Caterpillar handily beat earnings this quarter. What was your take on this quarter?
Well, this is one of those companies where it's a glass half full for them. In other words, they look at the world, and rather than say that, wow, everything is just, Brazil's horrible and China's bad and Europe's horrible, what they say is, look, we think that the rate cuts in Brazil are going to turn things around next year, that China's moving very aggressively. In the meantime, the United States is still very low. We did a highway bill. Europe's not any good, but we're not counting on Europe to come back. And in the meantime, we're making a ton of money. And they are. They're making far more than anyone thought. I did this analysis for Caterpillar, which said that when the stock went from 120 to 80, that was because people felt that the $9 number that they're going to do is really going to be $4.50. Now, they do the 9. They actually do a little better than 9. And so you have to try to figure out what's the price to earnings multiple. What's the solve for M? We know that the earnings are now 9. What price will we pay for it? Well, if you think that this company is going to be able to be consistent next year, you would pay 10, 11 times earnings. So you're starting to talk about a stock that might be worth $95, given the fact that they made money in this environment. Now, the thing that's difficult is this is the glass half empty. Are they being too bullish?
Right.
Now, I think they get the benefit of the doubt because they were bullish that this quarter could be good, and then they delivered. So it was a pleasant surprise. So I think that the stock got overly hammered, and it can trade up $8, $9.
Okay, now they raised guidance by 10 cents, but they beat the quarter by more than that. So do you think that the raise was too conservative?
No, I think that they see some things on the horizon. China's really bad for them.
Yeah.
And I know from Joy Global that there's a lot of order cancellations, and they made it clear that China's offsetting any strength anywhere else in Asia. So I think that I don't think they're conservative guys. I think they're very realistic. But the commentary about how central banks could actually get things under control was a welcome antidote to the incredible gloom. And the fact is that the fiscal cliff here that everyone's so worried about is not really playing a role because U.S. is bad for them. It's been lower. And the one area that's good is oil and gas. And as long as oil stays at around $90, this company, that's where it does best. So it's a very good sweet spot. I like Cat.
So down 23%, it's up today, though. Do you buy it today?
Yeah, I think you can get 7, 8 points without a problem. We can get to 90.
Okay.
This market is
stock tickers market.
Stocks have rallied this year.
We're coming into a Monday where we're going to